Hi guys, Paul here, Paul Phillips Fix. I'm changing the cabin air filter on an '08 Chevy Impala. This should be up to like a 2010, I don't know what year from. Sorry it was an afterthought of making this video, but I'll show you what needs to be done. This plastic piece here has two retainer clips, one right here and one right over here. I've got one of these body panel tools that work great. You have to lift the center of the clip out. Right here, you lift that up. That releases the outward pressure on this. Then you get under there and lift that out. Then you have to manipulate this backwards. Gotta lift it up and over. Move that back out of the way. Be careful not to break your lines for your windshield washer cleaner. Then you have this piece that just pops right out. This clips up under the metal and this fits under the lip. Then you have a little tab here on your filter that you pull out. So installation is reverse of removal. It just goes right in there. Good idea to change these too. Some people let these sit so clogged up that you wind up burning out your blower motors because it's got loads of resistance on it. Then this panel goes in. And get this up underneath there. I think the other end's gotta go in first. I may be screwing up here. I don't think that goes all the way up under there. I'm figuring this out as I go, guys. It's been a long time since I changed this. Longer than what's recommended for it. Let me see. Goes under here first. I don't think that big piece is going to fit under there. That goes under the lip, under the engine seal. That's where that goes. Doesn't go down behind the metal or anything. It just goes under the lip on the engine seal. And this squeezes down in there. Got to get it in there first and then get those clips back over. I believe. Here we go. Takes a little bit of finagling. That's it there. Slides right into the edge there. It doesn't cover the whole thing, it just covers it partially. Then this piece goes back down in there. Your line in. This goes under that seal as well. Tuck that down under that seal. Slides right in there, and then just put your retainer clips back in. And that is how you change a cabin air filter on a Chevy Impala. I think it's 06 to 2010, but I'm not sure. I got a clip that's broken here, but I keep reusing it again. One of these days I'm not going to be able to get it out, and then I'm going to be upset. I should go to Advanced Auto and buy one. That bottom piece in, and then the top spreads that open. I laid that down here. There it is right there. And that presses it open when you put that back in. Same with this, just pull the center piece out, put the bottom in, and push it in and it locks. Okay? Alright guys, that's how you change a cabin air filter on an Impala. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Please hit the like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'm hoping I bring you guys some useful information. Have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye. Remember, take good care of your cars. They'll take good care of you.